What is financial management practices? In this video, I'm going to talk about financial management practices. This is a very important topic, and it's something that everyone should understand. Financial management practices are the guidelines, policies, and procedures that a company uses to manage its finances. It includes the use of financial resources to achieve the organization's objectives. If you want to learn more about financial management, then you need to watch this video. Different types of financial management practices. Budgeting, forecasting, risk management, and capital allocation are all examples of financial management practices. A budget is a plan that shows how revenues and expenses will vary over time. Managers may use forecasting to forecast future trends in order to make informed decisions about resource allocation. Risk is measured in terms of how much risk is required to achieve specific objectives. Capital allocation refers to the allocation of funds to the sectors that will provide the greatest return on investment. Capital allocation refers to the decision of where to invest money to meet a company's business objectives. As a business owner, one of the most important tasks you have is managing your finances. This means ensuring that you are taking corrective actions to ensure your company remains financially healthy and able to continue growing. There are many different financial management practices available to businesses, but the most important thing is that you find what works best for your company and make sure you keep up with changes in the market. If you're interested in learning more about financial management practice, be sure to subscribe for my future videos. Thanks for watching.